Good morning, friends. Welcome to my YouTube channel of astrologer Anil Agarwal. Today, we will be talking about the coronavirus pandemic. Will we be living with coronavirus pandemic well into 2021? Astrologically, yes. I will give you the reasons. I've written an article, Will we be living with coronavirus pandemic well into 2021? Uh, I'll just read it out for you. Uh, we will be living with coronavirus pandemic well into 2021? The answer is yes. We will have, since we have parallel planetary positions like the Spanish flu in January to 1918. And in both cases, the eclipses took place in the Gemini Sagittarius axis. Gemini Sagittarius axis are considered to be most enigmatic when these nodes travel them because they have their own nakshatras. Rahu nakshatra is Ardra in Gemini, it is Lord of Storms, and Ketu nakshatra in Sagittarius is Mula, and it is Lord of Destruction. The goddess is Niti, Lord of Destruction, and it removes the things from the roots. So whatever destruction it will do, it will be a big destruction. So mind you, friends. So this is about all. And the Spanish flu eclipse took place in the Ardra nakshatra. It was a milder nakshatra than Mula. Mula is more dreaded nakshatra, is a Adhumukh nakshatra, downward looking. It will not allow you any progress. So till Ketu is there in this nakshatra, we will not have any progress, whatever the case may be. According to me, there should be no new projects should be started in this time because they will not fructify. They should not, nobody should take up new projects, especially when Ketu is in Mula Nakshatra. And this is eclipse Nakshatra. So my advice would be not to take up new ventures. We can do our normal works, but not new ventures. So friends, the planetary position at the time of coronavirus are parallel to the Spanish flu, which had spread in January 1918 after the lunar eclipse of the 28th December 1917, which took place in the Ardha Nakshatra, Lord of Storms. Spanish flu disappeared on the 1st December 1920. I researched and I wanted to find out when it disappeared, and I found that when the nodes ingressed in the trinal houses from Gemini and Sagittarius, and on the day when both Rahu and Ketu were in their nakshatras, that day Spanish flu disappeared. So I immediately tried to see when we would have parallel positions, and the date comes out to be 6th of February 2023. But the point is that in 1918 we did not have those medical facilities, but now we have better facilities, and as I've already predicted, and things are also coming in line, that after the luminaries, they are out of the grip of the nodes, and when Sun changes to Cancer and Leo on the 16th of July and 17th of August will be a good time. And then especially when Mercury, the sixth lord of the natural zodiac, is out of retrogression on the 12th of July, and then it goes in its exaltation sign, the sixth house of the natural zodiac, between 2nd of September to 22nd of September. And the good part is then Ketu will also be out of the Mula Nakshatra. So I expect a vaccine or a medicine or some tablets which will come and save the mankind. But the whole thing is that the bottleneck is that Ketu, even after shifting from Mula Nakshatra, it will go in Jyestha Nakshatra and the sign Scorpio, which is most enigmatic for diseases, virus, and since Mars is behind Sun, so we will have a lot of rains. We will have excessive rains, and the next epidemic could be of dengue. And the second wave is already there, as I've mentioned, between June, July, August. For coronavirus, the spikes they grow in geometrical progression, and as we have already seen, I've written an article yesterday also, it is absolutely going parallel to whatever has been predicted. And then the third wave could be a epidemic of dengue, or could be a third wave of coronavirus. Since if the planetary positions are parallel to Spanish flu, I would say it can be the third wave of coronavirus also between 4th of October to 24th of December. And we have a solar eclipse on the 14th of December, in which the eclipse point is 29 degrees and the luminaries will be in Gandanta. The life-saving force will be in Gandanta. This is very bad. Although Ketu and what do you call, Ketu will be at 25 or 26 degrees and luminaries will be at 29 degrees. They are out of the grip, but they will definitely influence. And the Sun and the Saturn and Jupiter degree conjunction on the day of solar ingress on the 16th is also not good. It shows happening concerning the masses. So friends, and then the next, so even if we get some respite, I expect a respite after 16 July to 2nd of September, especially, and till 22nd of September, a relief. We will be able to contain coronavirus to some extent. The number of deaths may be less, but the number of patients which will be infected may keep on increasing till September. And the third wave could be a deadly one again, because the eclipse is again taking place and the luminaries are in Gandanta. The luminaries in Gandanta is the most malefic parameter, and then Ketu will be in Scorpio, and the dispositor of Scorpio, Mars, will be in fallen condition. So this is very bad from 4th of October to 24th of December. And I've compared, I've written an article earlier also. I mentioned that article in this. I've explained it, each and everything. Astrologers have been pointing out that we will contain the coronavirus in September. They are not giving any reasons. They don't know that even the Spanish flu, if you compare it with Spanish flu, we can have a third wave. This is all a research article, friends, but we'll definitely get some respite after 16th of July and 17th of August, and then between 2nd of September to 22nd of September. Now, keeping fingers crossed, let us hope we get some relief. But if you compare it with the Spanish flu, it may linger on, especially till Ketu is out of Jyestha Nakshatra and goes in Anuradha Nakshatra on the 10th of May 2021. After Jupiter and Saturn are out of their Nigda Adresho, that means whenever they cross, when they cross 10 degrees respectively on the 5th January and the 25th January, now business may start coming to normalcy. But the point is that till Ketu is there in Jyestha Nakshatra, and as has been seen in earlier times, the eclipses in December 1889 and 1917, the world was reeling in troubles. Maybe it was violence, maybe it was war, maybe it was diseases, and there were natural and unnatural calamities. I mentioned all this. So till briefly speaking, till 6th of February 2023, the things are not very good. I'm not talking of coronavirus alone. I'm talking about the other aspects in life. I have mentioned everything. My article of the notes was also published in the Star Teller, the most famous magazine, Express Star Teller. I have mentioned that also. And then, I've also mentioned, I've compared I've given all the charts. I do not talk just in the air like the other astrologers. I give proper explanation. I give proper charts. No astrologer is doing this. No astrologer has done any research as compared to the Spanish flu. And after comparing it, I find that the dates, as I've mentioned, late July to late September, and then the January, beginning January and end January, and then we may get a substantial relief after 10th May 2021. So we may have to live with coronavirus. Even after that, we will develop a herd immunity and we may live with it. But till the nodes go in the trinal houses from Gemini and Sagittarius, note this point, friends, the coronavirus woes may remain, we may develop a herd immunity, and we may, their normal life may start after 10th of May 2021. So it'll go in stages. It cannot go all of a sudden like absolutely parallel positions like the Spanish flu. And this is a deadly star. Mula is a deadly star than Ardra. So I would say that this is deadly, but only thing is the mortality rate is low. In this case, the earlier Spanish flu, the mortality rate was very high, and then we did not have the medical facilities. So the part, other part is what else, there could be science developments also, as whenever something bad happens, diamond cuts diamond, so we will have some relief also very soon. Till K2 is in Mula and Jassa, we will definitely have some developments, some research also, maybe in the medical field or any other field. Then I would just tell you, yes, from the above, we can come to the conclusion that even if the woes of the coronavirus are substantially reduced, the other woes may be felt in the world as below. Political uncertainty, brawl between the countries taking an ugly shape, especially the right now, as I've already mentioned, this is a time when the seeds will be sowed, in the month of June till 5th of July, the seeds will be sowed for any unhappening which will take place between the 4th of October to 24th of December. Note this parameter, friends. Violence, natural and unnatural calamities, economic slowdown, especially after the 21st June 2020 and then after the 4th October 2020. Spiritual awakening, some innovative research which can prove most amazing restructuring of the things from the root level, as Mula Nakshatra suggests. So friends, this is what I've been talking about. So this is what I wanted to share, that we are slowly and slowly, we will get out of the woes, and the vaccine is, the Glenmark has already announced that there will be some medicines, some tablets, or vaccine injections, and mercury is injection, and when mercury goes in its exaltation sign, then maybe the injection and vaccines may be available, and we may be able to contain the coronavirus to some extent, right? So friends, this is what I just wanted to say, and that whatever predictions have to be made, we cannot make it just in the air. We have to compare it in the past, because the planetary position, whatever the planetary positions are, they have their signification, and whatever has happened in the past may repeat. The similar things would happen. So friends, let us hope for the best, and let us see. The other part is the Indo-China aggression, China brawl, and I think, ever since Mars has entered in Pisces, things have become more, evident. More they are taking place. China has also wanted to talk, have a word. So things. Let us see what happens till 5th of July, and that's about the only 10-15 days are left. The crucial time for any seeds to be laid down, but definitely from October to December would not be a good time frame for the world. I can tell you this it may be a third wave of coronavirus, it may be a dengue wave, it may be brawl between the countries, it may be violence, it may be earthquakes, it may be excessive rains, unpredictable weather. Right now also unpredictable weather and all that. So friends, with this, I take leave, and wish you all the best, and thank you for listening to me.